Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
So, before we start our class today, I am requesting everyone to please stand. Miss Umaab, will you please lead the prayer?
Are you ready, guys?
Yes, we are.
The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven,
Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil. Amen.
Thank you for the prayer. Could you please sit? No. Please remain standing. But before we officially begin our lesson, let us first energize ourselves with a short dance activity. Everybody, please stand up. Okay, nasa na ka mo? Make sure you have enough space. I will play a lively music, and all you have to do is follow the dance movement and enjoy. Are you ready?
Yes,
No.
sir. Aye, sir.
Saan tayo?
Who's good? We press F.
Sa ota?
Press F. Press F. Press F. Press F, sir. Press F.
Saot. Ang di magsaot din daw sa araw na.
Saog yan.
Saot! Mahag saot!
Baby shark, do 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 do.
Baby shark?
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark.
Hey!
Do 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 do. Wait, sige. Individual
Baby shark, do do do.
Stop dance. Stop.
Isa pa? Isa pa?
Pwede na po, sir.
Please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
Very good, everyone. Great job. Did you enjoy our short dance activity?
As you can see,
sir.
Now, your bodies and mind are active. Let us proceed to our lesson about food service establishment. Wait. So, food service establishment. Could anyone in the group could read? Miss Umahag, please read loud and clear.
A food establishment is any business that manufactures, prepares, stores, sells, or serves food and beverages for human consumption, including restaurants, cafes, food trucks, catering services, and grocery stores.
Thank you. Please be seated. So, at the end of this lesson, everybody read in the screen. Tanan, basa.
Define foods.
1, 2, 3, go. Define foods.
Establishment and explain the importance in daily life.
Identify and differentiate the various types of food service establishments such as restaurants,
fast food,
cafeterias, fast food chains, and catering services. Classify food service establishment according to the type of service they provide.
And appreciate the role of food service establishment in providing quality
food and customer
satisfaction. So, before we start today's lesson, we're going to play a game called Guess the Game or Guess the Logo.
Okay, sir.
So wake up your brains. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready, kids?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I can hear you. Oh, that's I Captain. So
Captain.
here's the fun activity for everyone. We will play a game called Guess the Logo. A mystery fast food logo will be shown on the screen. Your challenge is to identify the name of the fast food establishment as quickly as possible. So, paunaon na kita ang ano, pero ang twist da,
The prices are 100 for Scott.
ang twist na dira, kung babae ka, single ka darna. Before ka mag before ka mag decide kung lalaki, ako si Superman na.
Okay, sir.
Ako si Batman eh.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Darna.
Ako si Batman. Superman.
Oh, sige tindog.
Ako na,
Mr. Limanya.
Chowking, sir.
So let's check. Okay, Chowking. Next.
Darna.
Gandara!
KFC.
Tindog.
KFC.
Sir, yes. Ko lang sa pansin.
So KFC, correct. Next.
Gandara!
Ako si Superman.
Go Mayor.
Jubilee. Ay,
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Oy!
Ako si
Oy!
Superman.
Oy!
Ako si Superman.
Superman.
Ako si Superman. Jollibee, sir.
So let's check. Oh, Jollibee, correct.
Bakit?
Next.
Darna.
Captain Barbell.
Macdo.
Dahil.
Taban, sir.
Macdo.
Macdo. Next.
Darna.
Captain Barbell.
Gandara!
Lamig, cheater yarn. Tindog.
Gandara!
Goldilocks.
Oh, ba?
Goldilocks, correct. Nakadamo ka points ba?
activity mo, sir.
Darna.
Yes!
Akin na.
Gandara!
Sige,
Gandara!
sige.
Tulungan.
Greenwich.
Uy, Greenwich.
Greenwich.
Mango kasi.
So, food service establishment are business that prepare and serve food to customers. Different establishments provide different types of service depending on the customer's need. Food service establishment provide food and services to people in different ways. Example, include restaurant, cafeterias, fast food chains, and catering services. So, types of food service establishment. So, anyone in the group? Yes, Mr. Sonsa?
Restaurant. Place where food and drinks are prepared and served to customers. Fast food restaurants serve food quickly with limited table service.
So, Mr. Sonsa, do you have any experience nga makakanto na sa isa ka restaurant?
So far, yes.
And could you please share your experience kung ano ang makita mo sa restaurant, anong mo na feel, ano yung mo na experience na inside?
So far when I go to restaurant, I saw the chefs, the foods, and the quality of the food is super.
Okay, thank you for sharing your experience. And anyone in the group nga agi na experience makakanto sa restaurant? Wala na. How about sa fast food restaurant? I know,
Sir.
halos tanan. Sige, Mr. Alimanya.
Sa ako, sir.
Yeah.
So, fast food restaurant serves food
Yung mga
quickly
answer
with
lang
limited table services.
So,
So, yes, sir, nakakatawa na ako na, and the quality of food is amazing, and in namin sa balik-balik ka, sir.
so ano mga fast food restaurant ang ino?
Ang especially Jollibee, Macdo, sir.
So, if maka-recommend mo kung makanto sa Jollibee, what would you recommend nga?
I would recommend their specialty, which is the fried chicken, sir. Kaya ang ilang quality well executed, sir. Kag na-prepared kay mayo, kag na ano nila sa good hit ang ilang ano na measure nila mayo, sir, ang temperature.
Welcome over it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Alimanya.
Yes, sir.
So next, Mr. Manadero, could you please read?
Cafeteria or coffee shop serves coffee, beverages, snacks, and light meals.
So, do you have any experience yung makakanto na sa mga establishment?
No sir, wala.
Yes, Mr. Sonsa.
Yes, so far a lot of caffeine in the I go. So the
Go na.
serves coffee and beverage snacks and light. So syempre sa Oka lang one is the best. Ang cafe that I go is Oka Bakery. Kaya ang ilang mga drinks super namin kat ang swak sa budget kat ang ilang mga bread and pastry and super nugget.
So, anong mga pinagid ka kinatangkilig ka?
So the one that my favorite order is the matcha latte nga things, and the one is the matcha cake.
So, food cart or food stalls. Small business that sells affordable and ready-to-eat food in public places. So, ang na usually ito makita sa mga malls, no? Napaka-common na siya, especially kung when you go there sa festive, makita siya sa may second floor sa right side. Carinderia. So, a local small eatery in the Philippines that serve home-cooked meals and affordable prices. So, sino din mahilig magkanto sa karinderya?
Si Fritz, sir. Si Fritz.
Ikaw, Miss.
Yes, sir.
Pang karinderya yan kasi building niya.
Grabe naman. So,
Continue, sir. Continue, sir.
Miss Umahag, could you please read?
Bakery specializes in bread, cakes, pastries, and other baked products.
So, anyone nga may idea kung ano ang mga sikat na mga bakery store ang dali sa Iloilo?
So the first one is the JD Bakery.
Yes,
shop.
the
And so sa may Libertad is the Libertad Cafe. Ang favorite place in Atoll.
Yes, ikaw, Mr. Alemania, may alam ano ba?
Parang siguro ang Prince Baker, sir, nga located sa Pistem, sir, nag-provide sila sa good quality products and pastries, sir.
So, fine dining restaurant offer high quality food, elegant service, and formal dining experience. Amo naman siya ang mas formal compare mo sa iban nga gintakal ta nga iban nga establishment. So, amo na siyang do mga in grande gid siya ba?
Yes, sir.
So, if you're open a food business, what type of business or service establishment will you choose and why? So, I'll give you 5 minutes to think and kadto ka mo sa to nga para i-share ang inyong insight. So, mayara na?
Yes.
Mr. Sansan, sige. Ka-aura yarn.
I will open a food business. What type of food service establishment would I choose? And so the food business I choose is the cafe or
Louder,
the
please.
coffee shop or a bakery shop, because this generation love going cafe and love to eat pastry products.
So, ikaw, Miss Umahag, do you have
Of course, may alas mo kayo.
something to say?
So if I were to open a food business,
What type?
so the service establishment I would choose is fast food chain because it's very convenient to everyone. And yes,
Thank you.
I believe that
Thank you.
ikaw, Mr. Alemania, there's
Ah,
something to
sure.
share.
So, same to what Miss Sumag said, I would like to open a restaurant which is the fast food because it is really convenient and affordable for someone like us that is currently studying sa ilang panadaan food affordable. Ga-offer sila sa mga budget-friendly products and drinks, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please be seated.
So what's your answer, Mr.
So, so before we proceed to our new lesson, let us first have an activity. Are you ready?
No.
Yes, quite, sir.
Why? Why not?
Uy,
Because I'm not ready.
No, you
I'm
can't.
not ready.
you should.
You should.
Cooperate.
You should cooperate with
You
me.
should be ready.
Kahit wala na ka na. So, pare, basahan ko lang ang instruction. Please distribute to your classmates.
Proceed, please.
So, as you can see, each individual will receive a set of pictures and name of different food service establishment. Each picture corresponds to a specific type of food service establishment. Work and classify each food service establishment carefully. Once you have identified the correct types, arrange the picture under the correct category.
Okay, sir.
Bye time.
So, tapos na?
No, sir. Wait.
Ah, sige, hold na siya kamo.
Alma ka na, sir.
Okay, sir. We're finished.
So, anyone? Nasa tapos na, pwede na ipasa. I'll check it later.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Salamat spelling.
After we do our activity, I have ready quiz for us for the first quarter. And it's quiz number 1. And direction, identify the type of food service establishment. So, pwede man nga, oral, na lang siguro.
Okay,
Since
sir. Sir.
may 4 kita question and 4 lang mabilin direct.
Okay, sir. Absent di ba na bisa?
O sige. Sino volunteer nga first masabat sang first question?
Sir.
Sige, Mr. Alimanya na lang.
A place where food is served quickly, sir, is a fast food restaurant, sir.
Correct. Thank you, Mr. Alimanya. Next, Mr. Manadero.
A business that provides food during events. Catering, sir.
Catering service. Thank you. Correct. Mr. Sonsa.
A self-service food establishment. So the answer is car ranger.
Tama.
Uy, pwede.
So last, Miss Umahag.
A place where customers order meals from a
From cashier.
restaurant.
Sige, thank you. So, assignment. List at least 5 food service establishment found in your community and identify their types.
Okay, sir. So, the
So,
price next naman.
You can take a picture siguro para mas matandaan nyo pag hindi nyo malimutan.
Ay, sir, it's tsura mo, sir.
Scatterman na.
Uy, hindi na, sir. Okay na, sir.
Okay na? So, is there's anyone concerned?
Saan naman basahin, sir, kag ano nga, adlaw kag oras. Sa kailan, kailan.
The deadline will be on Monday, our next meeting.
Okay, sir.
So, thank you everyone.
May question si Mr. Manadero, sir.
Mr. Manadero?
Si Isan na si GC, sir.
Take picture gani was sa lunes na
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sige, thank you everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Sir,
Bye.
okay ka, sir.
Sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Paalam, sir.